season of AveNEU has proven how the NEU community has triumphed over different challenges. Good day, I'm Kat. I'm here today at the main campus of NEU at Quezon City. And with me here today is Jem.
Also joining us today are Trisha in Rizal, Tasha in Pampanga, and Von in Batangas. How are you all doing? How's your trip?
Hello, Jem and Kat. It is my first time here in Rizal and I am thrilled to take you all on a tour of the NEU Rizal campus.
I agree, Trisha. I can't wait for all of you to also feel the warm welcome the NEU Pampanga branch has given me.
More than the scenic views I have seen going here, I am more excited to reminisce on my high school days here in NEU Batangas.
Trisha, Tasha, and Vaughn will be joining Jem and I in this very special episode as they see what's beyond the gates of the NEU branches.
Let's start the tour with Trisha in NEU Rizal.
No words can express how I appreciate the warm welcome NEU Rizal has given me. From its fresh air to the warm smiles of the people, NEU Rizal is truly a sight to see. Close to the foot of the majestic Sierra Madre mountain range and near the famous limestone formation conservation area, Masungijia Reserve, NEU Rizal boasts a 50-hectare of land in Pinugay, Baras, Rizal. In June 2017, a groundbreaking ceremony was held to start the construction of a two-story building for the College of Agriculture. And in almost 2 years afterwards, on January 7, 2019, the first official class was held.
We believe agriculture is the backbone of our industry. It can mitigate problems of food shortages or scarcity. If we can sustain production, this can solve problems of hunger and poverty.
Situated in a forest-filled mountain range, the NEU Rizal caters to students who want to become licensed agriculturists under the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Dahil po sa panahon ngayon is, taghirap po tayo. So, ang BS Agriculture po is may kinalaman po siya sa food source security. Hindi lang po sa pagkain, dito rin po nakakuha yung mga sa damit po.
I realized after the pandemic, poverty and hunger is the main problem of our society. So, pumasok po sa isip ko na agriculture kailangan po ng mga mamamayan. And ito po yung pangunahing trabaho, pangunahing pinagkukuhaan ng pagkain po. Sa New Era University College of Agriculture po, meron po tayong quality education, quality din po ang facilities. And about po sa mga staff and mga prof, very approachable po sila.
We envision to be an institution of high learning that are having a quality and qualified faculty to teach science courses and the new courses that we're establishing or developing in our college.
NEU Rizal is home to one of the Iglesia ni Cristo Eco Farms, wherein the students are taught organic farming for a healthy and safe produce. And of course, the college also takes pride in its faculty members. Led by the branch director, Brother Baliardo Dota Jr., the college is making its mark in the field of agriculture.
Dito po sa ating College of Agriculture, ang masasabi po natin na kahigitan pa po nila kaysa ibang mga tagapagturo, sa ibang mga pamantasan, dahil sila po ay nagpapakita ng pagmamalasakit sa lahat po ng ating mga mag-aaral. Sinisikap po nila na maturuang mabuti at ma-expose po ang ating mga mag-aaral sa lahat po ng larangan ng subject na kanila pong itinuturo. Ang ating po namang nasa academic department, panguna po ng program head, na ilatag na po nila yung mga plano, batay po sa requirement ng CHED, at sa panig po ng administration, sa panguna po ng mga nangangasiwa, ay susuportahan po natin. Hinahangad po natin na makapagdagdag pa po ng maraming specialization pagdating po sa agriculture para mas pakinabangan po ng mga kabataan ang ating kolehiyo at makatugon po sa hangarin po na maging katuwang sa pagbigay ng solusyon lalo na po sa tinatawag na food security problem.
With its government recognition in 2022 and its first batch of graduates in 2023, we can only foresee good things for the College of Agriculture. For more information about the college, you may visit their official Facebook page. How are things in Pampanga, Atasha?
Everything is great here, Trisha. Now let me take you on a tour of the NEU Pampanga. Pampanga is known for its great food, and Kapampangans is equally great appreciation for it. But more than that, Kapampangans are also known for their hard work and dedication. Situated in the heart of San Fernando, Pampanga, the NEU Pampanga campus sprawls in a 6-hectare land. Surrounded by greenery, the campus not only is a landmark for visitors, but it is also conducive for learning. One challenge of the NEU Pampanga branch is the growing number of universities being established within their vicinity. But why do students choose NEU? Let's all find out.
I chose to study here po in New Era University, Pampanga po because unlike the majority po of universities, this university po focuses on discipline po and godliness that I think can help me throughout my life po by being a much more obedient person that knows what is right and what is wrong po.
Napansin ko po, in comparison sa mga ibang school, especially dito sa Pampanga, our school really values yung importance of peace within the environment po. And for me po, ito po yung one of the factors na dapat i-consider ng isang estudyante.
Ang kaibahan po ng New Era University sa mga ibang paaralan ay ang amin pong Christian culture. Bilang parte po ng CBI or ng Christian Brotherhood International, nagsasagawa po kami ng mga weekly devotional prayers kasama po ng mga ibang mag-aaral. Mayroon din po kaming special worship gatherings kung saan po tumatanggap kami ng mga pagpapayo sa amin pong mga ministro.
Nag-choose ako na mag-aral dito sa New Era University dahil sa una, laging itinuturo sa loob ng iglesia na huwag nating iiwan yung tungkulin natin. So alam ko na hindi magiging hadlang yung pag-aaral ko sa ginagampanan kong tungkulin sa mga lokal. At the same time, top ang New Era University sa country natin. So alam ko naman na nag-o-offer sila ng magandang education.
Initially offering basic education, NEU Pampanga now offers Bachelors of Science in Information System, Business Administration, Accountancy, Education, Psychology, Economics, and Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. And with their fully equipped faculty, NEU Pampanga has established its name amongst the top schools in the North.
I think our students enrolled in New Era University because we provide affordable but quality education that empowers the students.
As stated in our mission and vision po, we offer po quality education and nakakasiguro po ang ating mga magulang na magiging disiplinado po ang mga estudyante po natin.
And also here in New Era University, especially us na nasa elementary, we really take care of our kids.
With its 30th founding anniversary just around the corner, NEU Pampanga is now seeking its Level 2 accreditation to further cater to the growing needs of its stakeholders.
If granted, Level 2 accreditation will showcase the university's commitment to quality education and adherence to rigorous standards. It will enhance the reputation of the university to attract more students and talented faculty members and to foster collaborations with other accredited institutions. Apart from preparation for accreditation, we are in the process of organizing spiritual activities such as the conduct of a special worship service to commemorate the 30th anniversary of NEU Pampanga branch, and also academic activities such as the conduct of academic conferences and social, literary, musical activities such as the conduct of outreach programs, literary, musical activities, and to hold cultural performances and exhibits.
Such a feat for NEU Pampanga to reach its 30th year. In spite of the difficulties of the past years, NEU has not only survived but thrived. Pag maragulda ka, NEU Pampanga.
From east to north, let's go to the NEU Batangas branch.
As the third campus to be inaugurated, NEU Batangas has been a second home for preschool and elementary students. On its 24th founding anniversary, NEU Batangas is now catering students from preschool to graduate studies. Going back to this place, I can't help but feel nostalgic. This is where I spent my early high school days, and a lot has changed since then. Let's take a closer look.
Located in a 4-hectare land, the NEU Batangas campus has been granted government recognition for the Bachelors of Science in Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Real Estate Management, and Entrepreneurship, as well as the newly applied courses: BS Computer Science, BS Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, and BS Psychology.
To aid the ever-growing number of students in the K-12 program, plus the undergraduate and postgraduate studies, NEU Batangas continuously improves its classroom and facilities. Aside from its facilities, NEU Batangas, just like all NEU campuses, also takes pride in its faculty and staff.
We incorporate our mission, vision, goals, and objectives to our classes by imparting them during our homeroom guidance classes. We shape them to become more disciplined, competent, and disciplined students.
Bukod po doon, yung knowledge po natin, tulad po ng expertise ko po, science major po ako. So, tinuturo ko po yung mga science subjects po sa kanila. And bukod nga po doon ay yung values po na aming natututunan din po sa mga kasama po namin nangunguna dito po sa paaralan. Masaya po ako na dito ko po nagagamit sa paaralan ang aking profesyon.
Cater the needs of every learner. We also accept students po even may problema sa pandinig o yung mga deaf students po natin. At meron po tayo at the moment po mga college students po natin. So dito po sa school, very important po na malaman yung sign language Firstly, to consider po yung pangangailangan ng mga deaf learners po natin. We also want them to graduate to give them a good future po. Sa mga estudyante naman po natin, for them to be able to communicate with our deaf students, so as much as possible, we also teach our regular students yung basic sign language po.
Galing na po ako dito dati from kinder to grade 6 po, tapos lumipat lang po ako ng high school, tapos naisipan ko pong bumalik kasi alam ko po na mababait po yung mga teachers and quality po yung education.
My teachers here po, they're very friendly po and all of them are, yung nakaka-connect po kami sa kanila since not only do they teach very well, they also make sure na we have fun in our classes.
My teachers, I would say they are very considerate and nice, kind people. And they, first and foremost, always prioritize the well-being of students over everything else.
Well, for me, I would love to still study here. I'm getting my STEM strand po here. And since malapit na po kami sa mga teachers,
well, when it comes to the strengths of AveNEU's faculty, first thing or quality of our faculty is their deep faith and commitment to helping the university as a whole and the branch in particular. That is one of the strengths of our branch. When it comes to our staff, they're also very much committed to helping the branch and the university as a whole to attain its goals of becoming a world-class educational institution. We would like AveNEU, along with the rest of the new era, the main campus and its branches, to attain what the church administration desires, that we become a world-class educational institution. And with the help of our Lord God and our Lord Jesus Christ, the continuing support of the church administration, we will surely attain that goal for the glory of our Lord God.
As an alumnus of AveNEU Batangas, I can attest to its care for its stakeholders, proving that it is one with AveNEU's vision of a world-class institution of learning with a unique Christian culture of excellence, discipline, and service to humanity. This is one for Beyond the Gates.
Thank you, Trisha, Tasha, and Vaughn. I wish we could have joined you in touring the different campuses of AveNEU. But nonetheless, I am so proud of what you've all achieved here in AveNEU.
And to our viewers, thank you for walking with us this season. If you're looking for a university where godliness is the foundation of knowledge, with a Christian culture of excellence, discipline, and service to humanity, New Era University is waiting for you.
To get more updates in and around AveNEU, be sure to like and follow our official social media pages. This is Kat.
And I'm Jem. Join us again next school year as we take you for another walk here on AveNEU.
Home to preschool and elementary food.